Christmas bells were ringing, bringing joy to most people's life. However, crypto traders were still in the bearish waters. Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain, and Web 3.0. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at the global crypto market cap and how the top crypto assets have performed in the last 1 week. We'll also be taking a look at some of the biggest movements in the market and the largest news updates of December 19th. Before we take a look at the top news of the market, which obviously involves Binance and CZ, let's take a quick look at the global crypto market cap, which stood just above the $800 billion mark, appreciating by 0.18% in the last day. The global crypto market cap stood at $808.38 billion. A look at Bitcoin's price trajectory suggests that BTC price was still overtaken by bears. We can see that Bitcoin could no longer afford to be above the $17,000 mark. At the time of recording this video, BTC had no major gains or losses, but on the weekly chart, Bitcoin was down by 1.8%. Ethereum, on the other hand, was down by over 5% on the weekly and saw no major losses or gains on the daily and the hourly chart. A look at the top altcoins suggests that BNB was down by over 10% in the last 1 week. Largely, the top crypto assets give a very bearish look right before the Christmas season. XRP was down by 2.36% in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin lost over 1.45% price. Cardano was down by 0.38%, while Polygon was down by 1.8% on the daily. On the weekly charts, we can see that Dogecoin and Cardano are some of the biggest losers. While there were not many gainers, if you look at the top altcoins, XDC Networks XDC token was up by 6.77%. Thor Chain's Rune token saw minor gains. Immutable X's IMX token also saw minor gains. Axie Infinity, Engine Coin, and 1inch were a few other tokens that saw decent gains. However, one day after the FIFA World Cup 2022, with Argentina winning the title, what was expected of the Argentina fan token did not exactly happen. In fact, right after Argentina's win, the token fell by almost 50% in terms of price. Another big news that was coming from the cryptocurrency market was Voyager announcing an agreement between Voyager and Binance US to acquire its assets. Once again, Binance is set to acquire a giant from the blockchain and crypto space. How it will work out for BNB and Binance is something that we are yet to see and would unveil in the next year. However, quite a few analysts are bullish on BNB USD. We can see that Binance's short-term trajectory is more or less a rather sad journey of prices. There is a strong pullback on Binance coin since November 27th, and it seems to have ended as RSI finally breached that lower low sort of that it was making from a long time. We can see here that around the end of November, RSI started making lower lows, and it dipped to the oversold zone. However, now RSI is finally noting an uptick. Can this finally be a buy signal that the market was looking for? And will BNB USD make a decent asset to hold in 2023? Something, again, we will find out with time. Before we end today's video, we'll take a quick look at the top losers of the day, with the larger market still looking more bearish than bullish. While Toncoin's TON token was down by over 7%, Neutrino USD, which is Neutrino's Neutrino's stablecoin, or we can also call it Neutrino USD or USDN, which is Neutrino's stablecoin, has been losing peg for the last 1 week, so to say. USDN was down by over 6% in the last 24 hours, and it had clearly lost the $1 peg that it held earlier. Trust Wallet token, OKB, GMX, Chiliz, and Algorand were a few other losers. However, the larger market did not seem too volatile, with Bitcoin oscillating between that tight range below the $17,000 mark. Whether Christmas will bring some gains for crypto traders, something that we are yet to see. However, if you want to be updated with crypto market news, don't forget to subscribe to Voice of Crypto. And if you loved our content, don't forget to hit that like button.